Good morning, my little ones. Hope you all are fine. Do you remember me? I am your Sarita ma'am. So, today I'll be teaching you English. Now, tell me in English what are you learning right now? English में अभी आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो? You are learning alphabet, right? So, how many alphabet you have learned till date? You have learned 12 alphabet. That is A for apple to L for lion. आपने A से लेके L तक के अल्फ़ाबेट सीख लिए हैं. So, in today's session, we will revise all the alphabet from A to L. Alphabet A, capital A, small a. A says A. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. Alphabet B, capital B, small b. B says B. B for balloon. B for belt. Alphabet C, capital C, small c. C says K. C for car. C for cap. Alphabet D, capital D, small d. D says D. D for deer. D for dolphin. Alphabet E, capital E, small e. E says E. E for elephant. E for engine. Alphabet F, capital F, small f. F says for. F for flag. F for flower. Alphabet G, capital G, small g. G says G. G for ginger. G for gate. Alphabet H, capital H, small h. H says H. H for hippopotamus. H for horse. Alphabet I, capital I, small I. I says I and E. I for ice cream. I for iron. Alphabet J, capital J, small j. J says J. J for jeep. J for jug. Alphabet K, capital K, small k. K says K. K for kingfisher. K for kiwi. Alphabet L, capital L, small l. L says L. L for leaf. L for lemon. Now, let us once again revise how to write alphabet A to L in 4-line notebook. Now, let us start with our writing part. Today's date is 26/8.2020. That means 26th August 2020. And we are going to write in order A to L. Now, tell me which is the first alphabet that you have learned? It is A, right? So, we will write A here. First, we'll make a slant line. Again, a slant line. Slipping line, capital A. Small a, we will make a curve, go up, come down, small a. Then which alphabet will come? B. So, for writing B, we will make a standing line, go up, make a curve, again make a curve, come down. Capital B. Now we will write small b. Standing line, go up, make a curve, come down. A, B, then which alphabet will come? C. So, from red line to second blue line, we will make a curve. For small c, we will make curve inside the two blue line. Capital C, small c. Now, which alphabet will come after C? Right, D. So, how we will write D? We will make a standing line, go up, make a curve and come down to second blue line. Capital D. For small d, we will make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C and join the standing line here. Capital D, small d. A, B, C, D. So, after D, which alphabet will come? Alphabet E. For writing E, first we'll make a standing line, slipping line, small slipping line, again a slipping line below. Capital E. Small e, slant line, make a curve, up. Now, after E, F will come. For that, make a standing line, slipping line, small slipping line, capital F. Then, small f, E, F, then will come G. Make a C curve, go up, make a slipping line inside, capital G. Small g, make a curve, go up, come down, small g, E, F, G, and then what will come? H. Make two standing lines like this and a slipping line in between, H. Standing line, go up, come down, capital H and small h. Then will come I. Slipping line, standing line, again slipping line, I, capital I. Standing line and a dot, small I, capital I, small I. Now, what will come after I? J. For that, first we'll make a slipping line from the middle of the line, standing line and a curve, capital J. From first blue line, we'll make a standing line, small curve below and dot, capital J, small j. Now what will come after J? K. Standing line, slant line, little bit below the first blue line, we will make the slant line, and from the blue line, we will again make a slant line downwards, capital K. Now for small k, we will make a standing line, slant line, and little bit above. From here, we will again make a slant line downwards, capital K, small k. After k, what will come? L. Standing line, slipping line, capital L. For small l, we will make a standing line, small l. In this way, you have to write A to L in your 4-line notebook. Now, after writing in order A to L, in the next page, tell your mama to prepare columns like this. A standing line in between and two slipping lines. And write the heading, draw as per the alphabet. And write these alphabets which I have written inside the columns. Now, what you have to do here is, you have to look at the alphabet that is written, that is capital C and small c is written here. So what you will do, you will draw a picture related to alphabet C here. Now what you can draw? You can draw a cat or a cup here that is related to alphabet C. Now which alphabet is this? Capital I, small I. Now what you can draw here related to alphabet I? कौन से pictures आएंगे बच्चों I से related? You can draw an ice cream or an igloo, right? Now which alphabet is this? Capital H, small h. So what you will draw related to H? H से शुरू होने वाले कौन से pictures आप यहाँ draw कर सकते हो? सोचो सोचो. आप यहाँ hat draw कर सकते हो, hut draw कर सकते हो, right? Okay, so this is alphabet L, capital L and small l. Now, L से related कौन से pictures आपको याद आ रहे हैं जो आप draw कर सकते हो यहाँ? You can draw a lotus, a lamp, right? Now, which alphabet is this? Capital F, small f. F से शुरू होने वाली कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आप draw कर सकते हो? You can draw a fish, you can draw a flower, right? And which alphabet is this? Capital G, small g. Now which things you can draw of G? You can draw a glass, you can draw grapes, right? So you have to draw pictures related to the alphabets given here. Easy. Draw करेंगे ना आप अच्छे से? Okay. I hope you are now more clear regarding these alphabet. See you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.